Hello, welcome. Let us find the perimeter of this combined figure. We have a rectangle and a semicircle combined. By definition, perimeter is the total distance covered around the figure. Let us call this as point A, B, C, D, and E. So, perimeter is equal to distance AB plus arc BCD plus DE plus AE. Perimeter is equal to AB as per rectangle. This is equal to length plus arc BCD. This is a semicircle which is given by a half pi d plus DE as per rectangle is a length plus AE as per rectangle. This is width. Perimeter is equal to length plus length. I'm going to get 2L plus W plus a half pi d. But L is equal to 48. Width is equal to 28. And D, that is diameter, is equal to distance BD is equal to 28. Let us substitute these values into the formula. We are going to get perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by 48 plus 28 plus a half. I'm going to use pi as 22/7. Then multiply by d, which is 28. (48) multiplied by 2, it is 96, plus 28. I can simplify here by 2, 1, by 2, 11, by 7, 1, by 7, it is 4. 4 multiplied by 11, we are going to add by 44. 96 plus 28 plus 44, this is equal to 168. This is centimeter. So, the perimeter is equal to 168 centimeter. I hope you understand this question. For more questions on areas and perimeter, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.